I got Joe's Chrysler 300 in the shop. He has a exhaust on here now and some regular old HEMI headers, and we're going to throw long tubes on it and a 3-inch exhaust and some Paradox mufflers. This is how the car starts with the other guy's brand. All right, here we go. We got one header complete. There's the beads we laid down. We've done some fabbing up here. We got the mid pipe section that goes from right behind the front wheels to about middle of the car, right by the axles are probably a foot away from there. All right, this is from the cats right there on back. All right, brother.